How to return the YouTube's dislike. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can bring back the dislike button on YouTube. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So you need to know that the only browser that this will work in is Google Chrome, so make sure that you're using that. And from here, what you want to do is on a new tab, you want to click on this extensions icon right here. And from here, click on Manage Extensions. Now here you will see all of the available extensions on your Chrome browser. And if you click on the left side of your screen, you'll find an option to open Chrome Web Store. Click right here. And now on the search bar, you are just going to search for Return YouTube Dislike. So the first one right here is this one. Click on it. And then you can add this to Chrome. So just click on Add to Chrome and add extensions. Wait for it to download, and as you can see, it has been added to your Chrome. So if I check my extension, it's right here. So if I go back and then refresh my page right here, no dislikes are being shown. But now if I refresh my page, the dislikes should start showing immediately. So let's just wait for it to load completely. So as you can see, the dislikes are being shown right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.